Good evening. Welcome in Daily UPSC Totally audio program. Intimidation, intimi- intimidation is not investigation. The Economic Times. The Bombay High Court's disapproval of the use of late night interrogation as an investigation tactic used quite regularly by the likes of enforcement directorate is welcome, while underlining that depriving a person of sleep is a violative of basic human rights, and that suspects, persons of interest and witness have these rights guaranteed in law. The sharper point being made is that using intimidation as a purported investigative tool is wrong. For another, it serves no purpose except to showcase strong arm tactics. What's good for questioning at midnight is good for questioning at midday. Tactics such as late night interrogations are supposed to create psychological pressure and to tire out the person under scrutiny. Investigators in a liberal democracy like India are all too familiar with the midnight knock during the emergency of the 1970s, would hardly do themselves and their bosses any favor by playing mind games that simply emphasizes power that state machineries hold over individuals. But the bottom line is that in terms of conducting investigations, such B movies scripting only brings a unique suspicion and disrepute to these otherwise competent authorities. Sure safeguards must be put in place to ensure that integrating basic rights into investigation tactics is not used to block investigations. The core concern must be a robust investigation and to ensure that methods used add value to the outcome, not prejudices. This it. The courts too must factor in these restrictions used when deciding on issues like period of judicial remand. But Justice Revati, Mohite Dere, and Manjusha Deshpande are absolutely right in ordering ED to be mindful of passing off intimidation as part of the investigative process. It is not. Thank you.